So in this video I'm going to show you about integer division. So integer division is when we divide two integers and only keep the whole number part and we discard the fraction. So in integer division we put in the number we're going to divide first, let's say 15 in this window. We always use the syntax // to let the Python in this case know that we're doing integer division, and we put in our divisor, which in this case is 2. Okay, so I'm expecting the answer, so we want to know how many times 2 goes into 15. So it's going to be 7, and we're not going to keep the fractional element, so it should just be 7. Okay, so let's say we try 16. So we know that's going to be 8. There is no fractional element, but it will still give us the correct whole number part of the division. So let's try a smaller one, 7, 3. So 3 goes into 7 2 times. We don't keep the fractional element, so the answer should be 2. And that's integer division, because what we're doing is only keeping the whole number part of the division and we're discarding the fraction.